Glad to have you here. In today's video, I have 5 profitable Amazon KDP keywords for you. This is part 3 of the Valentine's Day niche. I've also included videos, links to videos for part 1 and part 2 linked in the video description below. You can go ahead and access these, and I've shared with you a total of 10 profitable KDP keywords that are really useful for helping you to create low and medium content books for this Valentine's, and hopefully they will bring you consistent sales as well. Now, before we get started on the first keyword for the day, I would like to remind you that if you are interested in these kinds of videos where we do daily profitable Amazon KDP keyword reveal, as well as tips and strategies to help you make passive income online using Amazon KDP and other passive income streams that I'm personally involved in, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click on the videos. With that being said, let's head straight to the Amazon and reveal our first keyword for the day. And our first keyword for the day is Valentine's Day card puzzle book for kids. Valentine's Day card puzzle book for kids is an amazing keyword. It has a total results of 1,231. It also has a bestseller rank within the under 300,000, so that is also acceptable as well. And the average bestseller rank is currently sitting at 228,854. Also, the average reviews are a whooping 2,514, and the average price is $8.26. We also have a keyword niche score of number 7 given by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, and it has categorized this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. Also, this keyword is a puzzle book type of keyword, so it's a medium content book, and it's dedicated for children, so please keep it child friendly. And it's about Valentine's Day as well, and you could incorporate a couple of other elements in there as well. Now, the word card you can be able to incorporate as long as with the puzzle books kind of card templates as well if you want. And scrolling down, we just want to see the types of books that are ranking well for this. For example, this one has a bestseller rank within the 100,000, which is also acceptable, and it's currently having a bestseller rank sitting at 141,746, and it's titled Valentine's Day Special Activity Book for Kids ages 4 to 8 years old. This one here is also scrolling down, we have a bestseller rank of this one here has a bestseller rank of 51,079, and it's called Valentine's Day Puzzle Games and More, and it's an activity book for clever kids ages 5 to 9 years old. This one's a Be Mine Valentine's activity book. So they've combined both niches of Valentine's and bees to create an activity book. So this was the first keyword, Valentine's Day card puzzle book for kids, and I'm going to share with you 4 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are about Valentine's Day next. And these ones, I would like to introduce you to a new concept. You can familiarize yourself with this concept. You can be able to expand and diversify your Amazon KDP portfolio by creating specific greeting card type of books that are large print, and utilize these next upcoming 4 keywords for these kinds of books. So the second keyword is a Valentine's Day greeting cards for teen girls. Now, Valentine's Day greeting cards for teen girls has a total results under 1,000, and is currently sitting at 108. We have an average bestseller rank of 105,234. We have an average reviews of 260, average price of $11.64, and we have a number 7 for the keyword niche score given by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. So here we have profitability metrics right here, total results under 1,000, bestseller rank under 300,000, really good amount of reviews and a good amount of price as well, and a good bestseller rank that we can rely on. So the idea behind these, I know you're kind of familiar with greeting cards being actual physical greeting cards, but the idea behind these is create an 8.5 times times 11-inch book, and it would be a medium content book where it would consist of maybe 30, 50, 100 greeting card templates that are, the theme is Valentine's Day, and these types of greeting card templates would be customizable. For example, there would be a space where the child or the teenager in this case would write the name of the person that they're giving the greeting card to. They would also have the opportunity to maybe color in different floral covers for in the interior for the greeting card as well. And then after they're done, they're going to cut through that greeting card, and then they're going to fold it and they're going to give it to the friend or the family member or the relative or anyone that they want to give to this greeting card to. And why would customers buy this? Because it would, first of all, it would offer them a bulk saving as well. So rather than getting a physical greeting card such as this one, they would get a large print book where it would consist of about 100 or maybe 150 or 60 or whatever the number that you choose, different greeting card templates, designs, messages inside as well. And then they would cut that through, and they would either choose to stick it to a cardboard paper, for example, or they would choose to cut it through and fold it and give it to the whoever person they want to give it to as well. So this really opens the doors for us as independent publishers to create books that are within the greeting card theme, and this is a really massively profitable niche, the greeting card. We can utilize this for so many events as well. So in this case, this is Valentine's Day greeting card for teen girls, and it has a total results of 108. This is the perfect time to embark in this keyword, and within that greeting card theme as well, I can also provide you with a step-by-step tutorial on how I do my greeting card types of large print books as well, so you can get an overview. Let me know in the comment section if it's something that you're interested in. Now, with that being said, let's head over to the third keyword for the day, and our third keyword for the day is boys Valentine's Day cards for kids classroom greeting. Now, this is an amazingly profitable keyword. The same thing applies. We're creating preferably an 8.5 times 11-inch book, large print book, where the interior would be Valentine's Day greeting card templates that are specifically for boys that they can use in the classroom, and it would be amazing for them that way. So they would contain illustrations in each type of the cover of each type of the greeting. The inside would be also, the inside of the greeting card would be a message, a friendly message as well. There would be a space for them to input the name of the person they're giving it to. You could have the greeting card as the cover or interior, something that they could color in as well. So the keyword is boys Valentine's Day cards for kids classroom greeting, and it has an amazing keyword niche score of 83 and also a keyword niche score of number 6 by Amazon Scout Pro. The total results are also good. They're sitting within the 1,000 2,000 range, and the total results for this is 1,707. The bestseller rank is an average of 42,569, average reviews of 57, average price is $17.23. This is a really good profitable niche that you could embark on. Now, this is also something experimental as well. Do dive into these niches with the mindset that you are diversifying your Amazon KDP portfolio. You are also wanting to be able to experiment as well with different types of greeting card templates as well. With this, it will open doors and pathways. Once you do it right, once you have a library of greeting card based books, this is the same concept that I've applied for in terms of the flashcard types of books that I've talked about previously, in terms of the coloring poster types of books that I've also embarked on as well, and that have been selling quite well. So that was the second keyword, boys Valentine's Day card for kids classroom greeting. And the next keyword, the fourth next keyword, is boys Valentine's Day cards for kids greeting. Now this also has a massive potential. We have a strong solid keyword niche score by self-publishing titans of 78. Also the two results are within that 1,000 2,000 range, which is also good to see, and they're currently totaling 2,720. We have the bestseller rank sitting under 100,000, which is also a good indicator, and the average is 53,814. The average reviews are 88. The average price is $16.47, and we've got the keyword niche score given by Amazon Scout Pro, currently sitting at number 8, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. And the same concept applies to the previous keyword, which both of the keywords are connected to each other. You're creating a Valentine's Day cards for boys, and it's going to be inside the 8.5 times 11 book. And then also these would be available for the boys, preferably in a classroom setting or in an environment setting where the boys can be able to write in their own messages or maybe their own illustrations, customize it as well. That would be also a lovely alternative. So we've got the last keyword for the day that's also connected to the greeting card element is the Valentine's Day greeting cards for kids school. Valentine's Day greeting cards for kids school has also a great, solid, profitable keyword niche score by Titans of 75. Also, we have a keyword niche score by Amazon Scout Pro of number 6, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. The total results for this is 2,818, which is also acceptable. It's within that 2,000 range. The best seller rank is currently averaging 60,504, which is under 100,000. That's also good to see. The lower the better. We've got the average reviews of 104, the average price of $30.79, and the same concept applies as well for these ones. Let me know in the comment section below if you would like me to do a tutorial, step-by-step tutorial on how I would do my own greeting card large print types of books as well. We can work on these together, and you can see how I'm personally involved with this as well without really revealing specific niches that I'm involved in. Also, utilize this wonderful keywords that I've shared with you. The first keyword was not connected to greeting cards. It was Valentine's Day card puzzle book for kids. Also, we have the next one was Valentine's Day greeting cards for teen girls. We have the third one was boys Valentine's Day cards for kids classroom greeting. The fourth was boys Valentine's Day cards for kids greeting, and next was Valentine's Day greeting cards for kids school. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.